Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you what you can do if you are having issue with your mobile data. You see, maybe if you were using your phone before and suddenly your phone the data stopped working. Maybe it was working before, maybe it was working like yesterday or a few hours ago, but suddenly you notice that you can't be able to browse anymore. Maybe the browsing started feeling slow and all that. So I'm going to show you what really happened and how you can solve the issue. Okay, so if you know you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay, so now you might not notice this when you are browsing. I believe you might you might have seen this data warning message that pops up. Most of you might see this, but you might maybe ignore it. That okay, maybe you might not know what it means. It says data warning, you've used 18.98 gigabytes of your data. If you tap it, it will take you down to this place. Now what this message really means is that your phone was set on data limit. You see, so now you have used up to the amount of data limit that your phone required, or the amount of data limit that was set on your phone. So what you have to do is either you go and increase the data limit or you turn it off. So I would suggest that you turn it off instead. So how do we do that? You just click on mobile data, you click setting. Although you can just go through from here as a shortcut, but I would like to show you the main entrance of how you can be able to go there. So it's either you follow your mobile data, if we are going for a longer method, we'll go through setting instead. So you just go to your phone setting. You see this SIM and network setting. Just click on it. Now locate I'm using two SIM here, MTN. So you just click on the one that you have you are using to browse, the one that your data is working. So it's my SIM 2. So I'll click on it. Now after clicking on it, you see this mobile data usage. Mobile data usage. So just click on it. And after clicking, make sure your data is on. Make sure your data is turned on. Mine is on. So after clicking on it, you see this setting icon here. You tap it. Now you see it. Mobile data usage cycle. Set data warning. So my phone is on data warning. So that's why it gave me that warning. And my data warning is at 2 gig. So my data usage was set at 2 gig. I can only use 2 gig of data. So if I exceed that, it will tell me that I'm out of limits, and before you know it, my phone will no longer be giving me that stable network it usually gives me before. So usually you can increase this. You can increase it to 5 gig or 10 gig, and once you do that, your data will automatically come back and start working. But I would really recommend you taking it off instead. See, once you turn it off, you see that message will no longer be there anymore. You see that. So once you turn it off, go back. So after doing this, you can either reboot your phone, restart it, or you can just check it if it will work. But if it did not work, you go ahead to restart your phone, and after restarting it, you see that your mobile data would automatically start working again. You understand? So that's it for today's video. If this video was really helpful to you, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, see you on my next video.